So baby, did August reveal some secrets? Do you hear me? Like, yes, do you? Like, seriously, he revealed it. He spread it all out on the table, baby.
Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to talk about this August Alsina and Jada Pinkett situation, you guys. Usually, you know, I mind my own business, but of course I had to come and put my 2 cents in about this issue. Like, this issue had become big. It had become viral, like, seriously. And you know I had to come talk about this because, you know, August Alsina, you know, he's like my NO people. You know, he might be from New Orleans, but, you know, it's just like he's like my cousin, you know. Hey cousin. So I definitely had to come talk about this August Alsina, you know, thing. So if a lot of you guys don't know, August Alsina did an interview with Angela Yee from the Breakfast Club, and he did this interview because of course he had an album coming out. And to be honest with you, I didn't even know August had an album coming out until I watched the interview with him and Angela Yee. So baby, did August reveal some secrets? Do you hear me? Like, yes, do you? Like, seriously, he revealed it. He spread it all out on the table, baby. He just let you all know. Like, yes, I've been dealing with Jada Pinkett. Will Smith was okay with it. He sat down with me and said, yeah, it's okay for you to, you know, go ahead and have this relationship with my wife. Yes, side eye there. I have to give it the side eye, because what man does that? Okay, so let's get into it, y'all. So yes, August Alsina did this interview. He said that Will Smith was okay with him dating his wife, and him and Jada Pinkett was messing around 4 years out of the 5 years that August Alsina knew her. And I mean, it wasn't shocking to me, you guys, because it was always rumors that Jada Pinkett and Will Smith had this open relationship. Then they came out with this, oh, we don't say that we married, we just say that we're lifelong partners. What that mean? That mean you guys are separated, and no matter what, that, you know, we're lifelong partners, meaning if something happened to Will or something happened to Jada, business-wise, they can always come together, and, you know, they financially, they gonna always be together. Point blank. I'm guessing that's what that means. And, yeah, so August, I have to get on this situation with August. So he said that he was with her for 4 years out of the 5 years that he knew her. Now, yeah, Will Smith maybe gave August his okay, like, yeah, it's, you know, we okay, you okay with, you know, messing around with my wife and this and that. And, like, I have to say, August, you my people. I love your music and all, but dude, you have to know that you was a side piece. I don't give a damn if you was with her for 4 years, like, she's still married. And yes, they have people that are married, that is separated, and then, you know, they go on, you know, dating other people. But Will Smith and Jada Pinkett never ever said that they were separated. To be honest with you, it ain't really nobody's business, but they never announced that they were separated. They claim to be still together. They claim to be this loving family and all this crazy stuff. So for August to come out and say, yeah, I was her boyfriend, yeah, we were chilling, we were cooling, and I fell hard, I fell in love with her. Like, baby, did not Jada Pinkett put it on him, baby? But yes, he was saying like, look, I was in love with her. I felt hard for her and this and this. And that's what usually happens. Like, you come in as the side piece, and then the side piece usually, you know, catch feelings. And now we have this whole situation because the side piece catch feelings. And you already know when you came into the situation that, look, I'm not leaving my husband or slash wife, but you still stayed in the situation for 4 years. Like, you know that she was not leaving Will Smith. They literally said it. They pretty much said no matter what each other do, nothing they do would ever, you know, break their bond. And that's just what it is. So you came in this situation knowing that she would never leave her husband. Meaning, I don't care how you catch feelings, this and that, she ain't never leaving her husband. So pretty much you do not have a future with this woman. So why would you devote 4 years of your life to a woman that you know that you have no future with at all? None at all. Then now on top of, you know you don't have a future with this woman, you know that you can't not change the situation, and now you felt hard for her. Now this shit is eating you up inside because you love this woman deeply. But she's not going to leave her husband or her family, and it's just what it is. And that's what kills me, guys. Like, not even with the August Alsina and Jada Pinkett situation. I'm just over the side piece, side chick, side dude situation. Like, you guys come in a situation knowing that the person that you're dating either have a husband or some type of girl or some type of woman or whatever they want to call their situation. You come in that situation knowing that this person is married, not married, got a girlfriend, whatever. And you catch feelings, then, you know, here we go in this situation. Like, all I'm going to say with this, like, the side pieces, you got to play your role. You know your role is to be a side piece. Play your role. You know that you ain't going to be able to spend Sunday with them. You can only spend nights with them. Play your role. Like, seriously, if you know you're a side piece, play your side piece role. Stop with all this catching feelings and this and that. You know from the gate that this man or this woman was married and you jumped into that situation, then play your role. Now, at the end of the day, ain't none of it right. Ain't none of it right. August knew that it wasn't right. That's why he had to speak his piece. Because that shit was eating him up inside. So he had to speak his piece. And that's why the shit came out. Like, nothing stay hidden forever. What you do in the dark always will come to the light. Trust and believe me, it would always come to the light. Like, my thing is with, you know, August, Jada, Will, all these celebrity type people in the world put these celebrities on pedestals. Like, they're human. You guys have to stop putting so much faith in man. Like, man cannot do nothing for you. Like, stop putting so much faith in these people. Stop putting so much faith in these people. Like, you putting so much in faith in people that you don't even know. Seriously. Like, these people are human. They're going to make the same mistakes that me, you, and anybody else make. Because they're human. Like, stop always talking about these people is my hero, or my kid had this hero, this and that. That shit bugs the hell out of me. It really does. And I used to always tell people, like, your kids should not have, I mean, you can say that a celebrity is your hero, but your hero should be your mom, your dad, someone that is close to you. Why is your hero somebody that you don't know of? Like, and then as soon as this person screw up, the world is mad at them. But they're human. They're human. Yes, they are in standard. They have to abide by because they're celebrities, but they are human celebrities. They're human celebrities. They're human. People will make mistakes. Now, yeah, August Alsina did put their business out on the, you know, front street. But again, he was speaking his piece. And to be honest with you, this joint then went viral, and a lot of people don't even care about what August Alsina said in the interview besides him messing with Jada Pinkett. Nobody else listened to nothing else the man said in his interview, but he messed around with Jada Pinkett and Will Smith was okay with it. That's all people heard. But you guys, I'm gonna wrap this up because I ain't gonna be getting too deep into this joint. So definitely, you guys, it is what it is. These people are human. They're human, and I see it as that. They're human. August is human, Jada is human, Will is human, but at the end of the day, they are in the public eye, and they're living a life that is a lie. It's a lie. And you know, people put them on pedestal as if they're gods, and they're not. They're human. And to be honest with you, they don't really owe anyone no explanation about what's going on in their relationship. It's their relationship. Now, if they want to come and spill their business, that's fine. I'll be here to talk about it. Yes. But yeah, you guys, I just kind of wanted to come and put my 2 cents in on this. And yeah, you guys, if you have not seen the video of the interview with August Alsina, definitely go check that out. I believe it's on his YouTube page. And also, August have a 5-part documentary. It is amazing. Of course, it's in New Orleans. That's probably why I'm saying it. But the documentary is amazing. It tells, you know, talks about his life, his family, and all the stuff that he, you know, went through. So definitely go check that documentary out. It was really, really good. I'm telling you, the documentary had me bawling, baby. I was crying. It had me bawling. So definitely go check out his 5-part documentary that he had. And then definitely go buy his album, because his album is on fire. If it wasn't on fire, when he announced that he was dating Jada Pinkett, everybody was going to go out and buy it anyway. Because, you know, publicity, people love that. People love drama, you know, so he bought the drama, so people out buying his album. I guarantee you that August Alsina album is #1 on the chart right now because of the drama he bought. So, you guys, whoo, baby, I said a lot. So definitely go check out all those little things I definitely just said go check out. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much my 2 cents that I had to put in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave you guys with that, and I will check you guys out in my next video. And yeah, you guys, before I get out of here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you can join my family, so that you can get the honest opinion about whatever I'm speaking on. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, if you like my thoughts and my 2 cents that I put in about this August Alsina situation, pretty much thumbs it up. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I will see you in my next video.